Hey fam, it's Camille Collins with Team Collins Homes and LPT Realty. And today I have a special edition for you guys. It's a home tour. It's a 5-bed, 5-bath home in the Cadence Park community in Sanford, Florida. This home is gorgeous. You don't want to miss it. Click like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and wait right there. I'll be right back with that tour. Teamcollinshomes. As you step through the front door, the foyer greets you with a flex room to the right. It makes a gorgeous formal dining room. Love the centerpiece. We're going to walk through the butler's pantry with a beverage station and a pantry right across from it. Then into the open concept kitchen with so much natural light. It's awesome. Next to the kitchen, there's a breakfast nook. Then the family room, and the space is lit with huge windows, which lets in so much light. And you can see the pool in the backyard. It's a great view. Here's a full bathroom on the first floor. And then the owner's suite. Let's walk into the owner's suite ensuite. Bathroom, complete with a walk-in closet. It's a great size. Now for the second floor. Here's a view from the second floor. That's the stairs. The light fixtures in this house are so dope. Here's a view from the second floor to the foyer. And here is the spacious loft that's perfect for entertaining. But it's so spacious that you could do almost whatever you want in the space. Here's bedroom number 2. It has its own bathroom. Back into the loft. That's a great view to the first floor from the loft. And onto bedroom number 3. Here's another full bath and bedroom number 4. And now, bedroom number 5. It is the retreat of your dream. The grand owner suite is complete with a seating area, a huge ensuite bathroom, complete with a walk-in closet that looks like a clothing boutique. Oh my gosh, the tray ceilings. Gorgeous. And to my favorite part, a balcony that looks over the backyard and this gorgeous pool. I know you're ready to move in today. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you liked the tour. If you're interested in purchasing a home in the Central Florida area, please just give me a call, 407-600-4250. We really appreciate the love and support. Team Collins. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.